Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a glowy base and like a glowy makeup look that will actually last on the skin. And I just want to say, I'm so sorry for my little YouTube hiatus, you guys. Our little baby has been extremely cheeky over, I want to say, the last 4 weeks. We're dealing with sleep regressions. He also got sick, like he had like a cold and flu type thing. Oh my gosh, turned our entire world upside down, but I'm finally back and like able to work now. It has honestly been the wildest time, and I'm sure those of you who have had bubbers will completely understand what we are going through. But for today's video, I want to focus on like a really glowy skin look that will actually last. I know for those of you who have an oily skin type like me, normally glowy makeup is not a vibe. I've picked up some new tips and tricks recently for getting like a real glow to the skin, but not in a way that's going to cause like creasing or caking or separation or just like the makeup to slide off the face. So yeah, if you're interested in like a glowy sort of glass skin type look that will actually last all day, keep on watching. Okay, so first up, we're going to start with skin prep. Obviously, skin prep, very, very, very important in the overall finish of how our makeup's going to look once we are done. And I'm actually going to be using a sun cream that I've been testing over the last few weeks and I'm really enjoying. It is called the Delba UV Essence Waterful Tone Up Pink Correcting Sun Cream. Quite a mouthful. This is actually the number one best-selling sun cream in Korea, which is awesome. I mean, Korean skincare products are just absolutely they are the cream of the crop, and you guys have heard me talk about them before. This is an SPF 50 sun cream, and Delba you probably have heard me talk about many times because of the extremely viral Delba First Spray Serum. It's like got that oil serum inside the spray. Awesome multitasking spray. I've spoken about it heaps on my channel here before. These are 2 products that I've been loving for creating really, really glowing skin. And you guys, I'm super blessed and super honored because I have actually teamed up with Delba for today's video. So, firstly, this sun cream, it's a little bit different to other ones out there because not only is it a great sun cream, like I said, SPF 50, it also doubles as a glowy hydrating primer, and the texture of this is so beautiful and lightweight, extremely watery. Like, have a look at that texture there. It's insane for a sunscreen. It's got an essence like texture on the skin. It's loaded with skincare. Oh, and it absolutely smells amazing. I'm going to apply it to one side of my face so that you can see. Have a look at the glow that it's given it. See how you can see like the illumination on my cheek here and over my forehead. And that works awesome when we are wanting to create a glowy makeup because a glowy base should translate to a glowy foundation later. But yeah, like I said, with oily skin, it's really, really hard to find lightweight products like this that actually give this glowy look to the skin, but that don't cause my makeup to like pill or just melt off or cake and separate. It's so beautiful, and it sort of like sets down, like you can't really feel it, but it gives you all of that protection and also gives this awesome glow to the skin. So here is my skin before, no glow. Here's my skin after. See the difference? Here is the packaging if you want to take a screenshot. It's actually super cute packaging. It does do UVA and UVB protection. If you're looking for something that's going to perform well underneath foundation, I recommend this one, and you can get it off Amazon. So to really get that glow happening even more, I'm going to continue prepping my skin with the Delba First Spray Serum. This is another product you guys have heard me talk about so much. And if you open like Instagram, you open TikTok, you open like literally anything, everybody is talking about it. It's so viral. It's like the best seller on Amazon. It is an amazing product and it's hyped for very, very good reason. This is like the 4th bottle that I've gone through. Like I love, love, love this stuff. It's a really, really unique formula. Hopefully you can actually see it. See this darker layer at the top? That is actually oil. So this is like a serum that you shake and then you can spritz onto the skin. It just makes it really, really easy and quick to apply. It does an amazing job at prepping the skin for makeup, and the oil and serum double layer in this gives the skin like insane hydration. It's obviously got white truffle in here as well. White truffle is absolutely loaded with antioxidants, so it's a really, really amazing ingredient for the skin. And I just find when I use this, my makeup looks so glowy and hydrated and just really, really pretty on the skin, but it doesn't separate, it doesn't cake, it doesn't pill up, it just stays looking perfect all day. Now obviously this is a spray, so you can just like spray this all over the skin how you normally do, but how I've really been enjoying using it is actually spritzing it onto my sponge and then using that to apply my foundation. Now when you are after glowy skin and that really lit from within beautiful radiant sort of effect, but also that's not going to again melt off your face, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Like, you cannot go past this foundation for just like the ultimate glowy look that's still gonna stay lasting a really, really long time on the skin. So I'm actually gonna dot this one all over my face, and then using the sponge loaded up with the serum spray, I'm gonna start pushing that into the skin. Can I just say as well, that Dalva spray smells so good. It just makes it so easy to blend products out. Look at how gorgeous and glowy that skin looks. It's amazing. And I look at like glowy skin like that, and as an oily girl, I think, eek, that's not going to last all day. But somehow this combination of products, I don't know, it just stays looking glowy, but it actually stays on my face. Gives the skin, I would say, almost like a second skin finish. Like, yes, obviously I put a foundation on, but it doesn't look like lots and lots of makeup. Just looks really pretty and glowy and natural. It's just an awesome makeup hack. Like, trust me, jump on Amazon, have a look at these products, try them out, try applying it this way. Let me know how you go. It's just made a huge difference for me. If you're not wanting to invest all the money in Giorgio Armani, and I mean fair enough, like, it is very, very expensive, NARS Sheer Glow is another beautiful formula that works very well. And also, honestly, the Maybelline Skin Tint. Gorgeous, gorgeous, glowy formula. It's called the Maybelline 24-hour, I think the Super Stay Skin Tint. Amazing, amazing glowy formula that's also still really long lasting on the skin. See how soft and natural? No cakiness. It's not emphasizing texture or anything. Still so super glowy. My skin almost looks wet, but it's not sticky and it's not heavy. Just game changer, trust me. All right, moving on to concealer, MAC Studio Radiance Concealer. This is a concealer, again, interesting formula. It's technically an under eye concealer, like that's how they have marketed it. It's loaded with skincare, but it's actually a concealer that gives a radiant finish to the skin. And again, normally I'd be like, ugh, get that away from me. Like, that sounds like an oily skin nightmare. Somehow this formula just works so incredibly well. So I like to put a little on the inner corner of my eyes there, little on the outer corner as well. Also, for shade reference, in Giorgio Armani I am 6.5, and in this one I'm NC 17.5. And then I like to put a little on my forehead, down the center of my nose. Then coming back with my foundation sponge, I'm going to go back in with the Dalva First Spray Serum. We'll find that your concealer just melts. Like, it literally melts into the skin when you do this. I'm not going to do too much for the eyes because today's video really is about the base, prepping the base and creating that glowy look. Probably just going to chuck on some mascara. I mean, look how perfect my face looks. Like, it looks like a filter is on it. So glowy, but it's not heavy or sticky. Like, trust me, once you try this, you'll know exactly what I mean. And I hate products that feel heavy and sticky on the skin. Like, I honestly do. They make me just feel like I want to wash my face immediately. This, glowy, but lightweight. Okay, moving on to bronzer contour. This product I've also been really, really impressed with. This is actually from She Glam, so it's extremely affordable. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I feel like these are less than $10 each. They're amazing. So they've, obviously we all know and love the She Glam liquid bronzers or liquid contours. They came out with a radiant version. This is one of the radiant versions. These give a beautiful radiant glowy kind of finish on the skin, but without being like sparkly and without emphasizing texture. I love these for glowy makeup looks. They're just awesome, and they also last a really, really long time on the skin. This is the shade Terracotta here. If you're a beginner at makeup, don't be applying it directly to the face. It's not a vibe, but this gives the skin like this amazing, warm, glowy sort of finish, but will also last all day. It's so nice. And to help blend that out, you know what I'm doing. I'm taking my spray again. I'm actually going to spray it on my brush this time. This is actually the Rare Beauty, I think it's the blush brush. I've been using it a lot. I really like it. Pressing that into the skin and blending it out. I really like to blend them out this way. So first with a brush, and then I come back in with this, and I kind of just clean them up a little bit this way. Bang! Blended, perfect, glowy, illuminated, but also still going to last a really, really long time on the skin. I just feel everything glow. The main priority is having stuff that will last. This is our Nikkia Cosmetics Pro Perfecting Sponge. I'm not sure if I already said that. They've actually got micro pores, so they give you an even more airbrush finish on the skin. And they also don't absorb as much product. So yeah, your products go even further, which we love. We like to save money, right? And then to finish the glowy skin, I'm obsessed with these. These are the Milk Makeup. What are they officially called? They're like those jelly blushes that went super viral, except people were doing weird things like eating them. Oh, here we go. Calling it water jelly tint. That's what they're called. Don't eat this, guys. It's makeup. That was very odd. I don't know why people are doing weird things on the internet. I couldn't tell you. I don't know. So with this one, they are extremely pigmented. I would never do this. It's just going to end up a hot mess. I actually take our bronzer brush. This is the F04. This is from my brand Nikkia Cosmetics. And I pick a little of it up on that. The tiniest bit. Because believe me when I say they are pigmented. And then you just very gently want to pat that into the skin. These give the cheeks almost a look of like a traditional cheek stain. But without the difficulty in blending and without the difficulty using. Essentially, they're just so quick and easy. Pat them into the skin, and they're really long lasting as well. Love this for a glowing makeup look. Love, 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 love. Now, what I will quickly do, obviously, oily skin type, I can't not powder. It goes against everything that my skin screams at me for. So what I do like to do is I've been taking our Velvet Brightening Powder. This is the brightening version of our Velvet Finishing Powder. This is tinted with pink and violet tones, so it actually corrects and cancels out darkness and sallowness in the skin. It will brighten your makeup, it will lift your makeup, it will also lock your makeup in place. So this is one of our perfecting puffs, and what I do is I actually just press this directly under my eyes. I go up over my eyelid because oily eyelids, not cute. Press it down and then around my mouth onto my chin, and then also just a little right in the center of my forehead. I like to keep the glow right out on the perimeter, and because we've used these long lasting products, I will be fine, but I do still need setting powder through the T-zone. I just do. You see how that's just mattified like the really central portion of my face? And this way I know that everything's locked in place, like my makeup's gonna last, I'm not gonna have any issues. But then I go back in with my spray and I actually spritz this. This is a 4-in-1 spray, so it will finish your makeup as well. It smells so good and it's so lightweight. This sort of seals everything in place and it'll return that gorgeous glow to the skin, but without impacting how long this makeup is going to last. It's totally awesome. And then lastly, to finish, I'm going to add a little bit of a cream highlighter. This one is from She Glam. This is their Glow Bloom highlighter in Vanilla Frost. I prefer to use these on a brush rather than going in directly. It's just a little bit safer. I'm just going to add this to the high points of my cheeks just to add even more glow there. Pressing it into the skin so that it's like super, super seamless. Like a little on my chin, and just above the tip of your brow is a really, really awesome place to put this too. Just as you move your face in the light and everything, it will subtly sort of reflect and you'll be able to see it, but it won't be kind of too much. Okay, like I said, I'm not really doing anything else on the eyes, just a bit of mascara. This is the MCO Beauty Extend Lash. I'm not even going to put too much of this on. Like, I'm literally using this just to color in my eyelashes. And I think I'm also only going to put this on my upper lashes, because I really do want all of the focus on the skin today. And then lastly, I'm just going to finish with a gloss. This is the Nude Skin. This is from Nude Sticks. It is called the Hydropeptide Lip Butter. I've really been enjoying these. They've got this amazing peppermint, like really fresh kind of finish. This one is like a subtle, like it's sort of tinted a little bit pink. It's very subtle though. I'm going to finish off my lips with this. So glowy and natural. Oh, I'm obsessed with how perfect my skin looks. Honestly, this is so good. And then I think, because I can't help myself, I'm going to go in with one more of these. But there you go, guys. My ultimate glowy makeup, the ultimate glowy base, but that's still going to last all day. So because we've used, a combination of products that are really long lasting and also a combination of products that are super lightweight, and obviously we've set through the T-zone, this look is going to stay looking like this without melting off during the day, which is just the last thing that you want, honestly. Like, we want glowy, but we don't want shiny. And sometimes it's like a fine line, right? But I hope that you found today's video helpful. If you've got any other questions about this look or anything else, please let me know all your thoughts down in the comments down below. I love you guys heaps, and I will catch you all in my next video.